So we have a little bit of unfinished business. I need someone with the last name of Kranick. Is there somebody in the building? Last name of Kranick, if we're reading this right. And Will Vanderveld. We can read this one. You can please make your way up here and start making a paper airplane, because you are going to try and win that BMW in the lobby. It's a piece of 24-pound paper. According to the rules, you have to make the plane. It has to stay a plane, and you have to fly it 20 feet from that line through the wind into the car. Cannot touch any of the car. Can they do it? Cheer them on. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Anita's getting her spot. Oh, she's going to play. Here we go. Keep going.
Unlike Michael Jr., I'm actually playing.
All right, are you guys ready? Now, we always let the youngest go first, so I think that's Will. Will, behind that line. Stay behind the line. Woo! Good try. All right, Mr. Kranick. Mr. Kranick, come on. You can do it. Well, again, no car has been given away from the lobby. Are you sure you don't want to try, Anita? We'll let you try. We'll let you try. Okay. And we have for you, where'd they go? Hey, Will, come back here. Okay. Just go ahead and make that plane while I give away. So we have special presents for them. There is a BMW in this bag. However, it's probably not the one they hope to take home tonight. New lunch kit for you. Hey, Anita. I'm sorry, I can't sit down and play for you, but... 20 feet, back behind that line. Back. All right, one try, let's go. Behind the line. Try again, behind the line. You know, it's really too bad you can't take cars across the border, but oh well, that's okay.